Facebook removes hundreds of misleading accounts. Google is using AI to cool its data centers. And Netflix hopes to take a bite out of its Apple fees. It's all the tech news that's trending right now. Welcome to #Trending. It's Thursday, August 23rd, and I'm your host, Megan Simpson. First up from LinkedIn, hundreds of accounts have been removed by Facebook. The move comes after the social media giant identified the sites as influence campaigns aimed at spreading misinformation. More than 650 accounts have been removed so far, and according to Facebook, most of them came from Iran and Russia. The accounts were linked to 4 separate campaigns, 3 of which were Iranian and 1 originating in Russia. 2 of the Iranian campaigns created pages and groups promoting pro-Iranian political agendas around the Middle East, Europe, and the US. 1 was even linked to state-run Iranian media. The other Iranian campaign engaged in cyber attacks, including attempting to hack accounts and spread malware. The 4th campaign, which, according to The Guardian, Facebook was most vague about, came from Russia and was connected to the country's military intelligence services. Twitter has apparently also removed 300 accounts originating in Iran linked to the misinformation campaigns. This also comes after recent news that Facebook will be rating users on their trustworthiness when they report news articles as false. Next, trending on Google, artificial intelligence is now running the show at Google's data centers. The centers hold thousands of servers that power everything from Google Search to Gmail and YouTube. And it takes a lot to keep those servers cool and running. So a couple years ago, Google decided to use AI to do that work. The AI is in charge of the data center's cooling systems and originally was only intended to make recommendations. But Google eventually figured it was easier to have a fully automated system. So for a few months now, the AI has been implementing actions all on its own, using British AI company DeepMind's technology. It works like this. Every 5 minutes, the system will take a snapshot of the cooling system, and the info is fed into DeepMind's neural networks. Then, the AI assesses the necessary actions to maintain temperature and reduce energy consumption. It runs safety checks and then implements. According to an Engadget article, Google says this has produced 30% energy savings, and the system continues to find new energy-saving techniques. The tech giant apparently also said data centers may not be the only places that could benefit from this type of AI and plan to apply it to other industrial settings. Last up, from LinkedIn, Netflix no longer wants to pay fees to Apple. The streaming service is looking for a way to avoid user subscriptions through the Apple Store. In the past, Netflix has allowed users to download and make subscription payments through the Apple Store. But app makers doing this have to pay Apple 30% of a first-year subscription and 15% in the following years. A TechCrunch report found that the company is running a trial in 33 countries, asking users to sign up for a subscription on its website rather than the App Store. The trial began in June and included 10 countries, but as of August 2nd, it's directing new or lapsed subscribers in over 30 countries, including Canada, to renew subscriptions by logging payments directly with Netflix. The trial will apparently run till September 30th. And Netflix isn't the only company tired of paying these fees. Spotify has also cut off subscription payments through Apple, and Amazon also forces its users to make purchases in browsers. That's what's trending today. #Trending is part of the ITWC Podcast Network. Look for more of our content on Apple Podcasts, Google Play, and more. You can also add #Trending to your Alexa Flash Briefing or Google Assistant Daily Briefing. I'm Megan Simpson. Thanks for listening.